You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Now, let's start with lab number 14. So, in lab number 14, we will be migrating users from one mailbox database to another. So, on the Exchange Admin Center here, this is on NETA EXE01. By the way, one quick thing, this is a domain joined machine, and the Exchange settings are available across the domain. So you can even do these tasks from a another domain joined workstation or somewhere else. You don't have to be on the Exchange server for everything. That is one thing that everybody should know about. So click on migration. Under recipients, click on migration. You see there is no migration here. So I'm going to click on new and select the option move to a different database. Now under this, I need to select the users that I need to move. So I'm going to click on add and I'm going to add Clint Eastwood, Jodie Foster, and Jim Ron. I think Jim should be right here. Jim Ron to be moved from their existing database to another database. Now, after that, I'm going to click on next. I need to give this migration batch a name. So the name is going to be Dell database. And I'm going to move the primary mailboxes and archive mailbox if one exists. We don't have an archive mailbox at the moment. Archive mailbox is a concept that we'll talk about a little bit later, but we don't have one right now. So the target mailbox, the target database here, I click on browse and I select the Dell database here and I click on add, click OK. Now the bad item count, I am not going to change it. It is OK. Next. And after this, I'm going to just make sure that the settings are set to automatic instead of manual and click on new. Now, this is the weirdest part here, that traditionally you always see save or install or something. Here you see new. So don't be surprised if you see new. Click on new and wait for the setup to start. You can see that it's syncing. We want it to start as well. So we'll give it a few minutes and then take a look at it. Now, another thing that we can do as we are waiting is we can create another migration mailbox or another migration data. We can start another migration batch here. So move to, let's repeat the same process again, move to a different database. In this one, we're going to add our users. Now our users here are going to be Chris Brown, then T. Harv Eker, and Zig Ziglar. Because they are all on the Dell, database, we are going to move the Dell database users to HP database. Okay. Next. Now this needs a name, so this is going to be HP database. Target database would be HP database again. Add. Okay. Next. And click on new. So you can see that I have two running right now. So let's make it a third one as well. Let's add new. Move to another different database here. Now this time we are moving the users who are on IBM database. Because we are, the users on HP database to IBM database. My bad, excuse me. So those include users like Bill Walsh, Blair Singer, and Robert Kiyosaki. Let's find Robert. 3 users. I click on add and you can see all 3 of them are here. Okay, next. Now this one will be IBM database. Now I should also point out that it is okay for the name to be anything. It's not a problem. It is just so that you know what exactly you're migrating or where exactly you're migrating. So target database, IBM database, add, okay, next, and new. Now, at this point, if I refresh this, you see nothing has completed, nothing has finalized. So if the very first one that we started was the Dell database, you see total. If I click on view details here, You can see status failed. This is syncing right now. This is syncing right now. All of this is happening in the same Mailbox server where all of them are hosted. And we are just moving from one database to the other. So it is a little bit of a time consuming process. So don't stress too much if it takes too much for you. Too long or too much for you. Just give it some time and it will work. All right. So that also concludes our lab number 14. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.